US fears Iran could provide Russia with ballistic missiles for war against Ukraine. The United States fears that Iran is preparing to provide Russia with modern, short-range ballistic missiles to wage war against Ukraine. John Kirby, the White House National Security Council Strategic Communications Coordinator, said this. The American side says Iran has already provided Russia with combat drones, guided bomb units and artillery shells. Concerns about ballistic missiles increased after Russian Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu visited Tehran in September, where he was shown Iranian Ababil and Fateh 110 ballistic missiles. We are therefore concerned that Iran is considering providing Russia with ballistic missiles now for use in Ukraine, a National Security Council spokesman said. The White House also confirmed information to the Wall Street Journal about the intentions of the militants of the Wagner terrorist group to transfer the Pantsir S-1 air defense system to the Lebanese paramilitary group Hezbollah, which supports Iran. Russia has become closer to Iran after its full-scale invasion of Ukraine in February 2022. Among other things, Tehran has provided the Russian regime with thousands of kamikaze drones that kill Ukrainian civilians, as well as the technology to provide them. Since last year, there have been unconfirmed reports that Iran may have transferred ballistic missiles to Russia. In October, in accordance with the agreements reached under the Iran nuclear deal, a UN Security Council resolution that imposed restrictions on Iran's ballistic missile program was terminated. Russia then said it would not support continued sanctions, unlike Western guarantors of the nuclear deal, potentially hinting at cooperation with Tehran on these technologies.